come and join me. Come on in. It's Claire from Claire's Fitness. Come on down. How are we today? Are we good to go? Are you ready for your little 10-minute trial or taster or however you use these 10-minute little workouts? Grab some weights if you got them. If not, water bottles, tin food, or you could just do it without. So just march it out and let's get going. Let's do a little bit of conditioning with a little bit of cardio thrown in. Just give me a heel dig. Good. And again. Good. Now hold the feet. Give me a bicep curl. Good. Keep your chest up, shoulders back and down, knees soft. Lovely. And now we're going to put the two together. Give me a heel dig with a bicep curl. Good. Lovely. And again. Fab. So stay with the heel dig, lose the arms. Good. And you can kind of get into the rhythm of the music. Good. Hold it here, just a bicep curl, get your posture right. So we isolate the upper body. Good. And again. Put the two together, heels forward, bicep curl. Good. And again. Lovely. Now, hold it, back tap, back tap. Lean forward, just tap back. And again, so just tap the toes. Just getting the heart rate up, just getting you moving. Now, hold here, give me tricep kickbacks. You want to get the elbows nice and high. Good. And again. Are you ready to put the two together? So tap back with tricep. Think about rubbing your head and patting your tummy. Don't think it, just do it. Lovely. So loose the arms, keep the tap back coming. Good. And again. Loose the taps, just the arms. Good. Fab. And again. You got it. Put the two together. Good. And again. Back. Now give me a side tap. Good. You've got it. Good. Now lose the legs, just the arms, side raise. Now really brace the abs. Pull the stomachs in. And again. Good job. You got it. Side tap with the side raise. Good. And again. Fab. Side tap. Good. Side raise. Good. And again. Lovely. And now just march. March. Good. How you doing? So far, so good? Dead simple to follow. Now lose the legs, alternate shoulder press. So reach up, long and strong. Good. Back. And now put the march back in with the shoulder press. And again. Good. Lovely. Just march, just march. You got it. And again. Lovely. Just the shoulder press, so we isolate here, so you can kind of pre-fatigue the muscle, get a little bit more tone and definition. And you can feel the emphasis more on the muscles when you do them static than when you're moving. March, alternate shoulder press. Now get ready, we're going to go back to the top. We're going to put the upper and lower bodies all together. Are you ready? Can't wait, Claire. So what was the first one? The heel dig with the bicep curl. Good. Back. And again. Lovely. Tap back, triceps. Good, lean forward. And again. Lovely. Body up tall, side tap, side raise. Good. Lovely. March it out, alternate shoulder press. Good. You got it. And again. Fabulous. Two more. Well done. Release the weights. Release them down. Now, that is dead easy to follow. Dead simple. You're thinking, I really ought to get my fitness back on track. There's great workouts that anyone can do and at any level of fitness, because if you lighten up the weights, you'll be able to follow no problem. And I'd love for you to come and join us. Come and have a go on Claire's Fitness. At the moment we're doing advent calendar workouts. It's a lucky dip each day. So we'll just pick out the date and then we'll just see whatever workout's in there is the one we do today. So there's no set timetable at the moment. We're just doing lucky dip workouts. From January, I'll be doing a January jump start. So if you need help with nutrition, mindset, stress, and all those things, you need to get fit, you need to find some decent recipes because you don't know what to eat, come and join me because this is for you. Starts in January, first week in January, around about the 6th. It's £35 to join. It's a 4-week programme. We're going to have daily challenges as well, so we'll really be getting you hyped up and back into it in January. So come and join us, pop me a message, just put January and I'll tell you all about it. Thank you for joining me today. I won't be with you tomorrow, but I'll be back on Thursday. Have a great day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you Thursday. Well done.